what we know. Okay, what we know about habitat. Niche. What we know about habitat. See, habitat is
Place where the
okay, a place. A place. Okay, anybody who wants to come here in front and see, you can volunteer, you can write your ideas about what is habitat. Okay, any suggestions? Any ideas? Okay, habitat is a place where living organisms live. It is what? See, what we know about habitat? Habitat is okay, it is an environment. It is an environment where
It makes people live though.
where
YouTube mo, anak-anak mo,
see, what we know about habitat? We are going to dig. We are going to remember everything that we learned from the past. Everything that we learned from elementary, going to high school, and now. Okay, habitat is what? There are some types of habitat, just like
the other term for habitat is niche.
what?
Niche.
Niche, N-I-C-A-I-T. Okay. See, some more. Yes, it's a home. See, now your ideas are coming. So don't be shy to share your ideas. Shelter, yes. So, see, shelter. So, place where living organisms live, environment where species live, and you have the niche, you have the home, you have shelter, you have the see, you have this one, you have the grassland, the one, yes, you have the pond, you have the forest. Eat more. Desert. CBD, yes. Some more. So, see, we have filled up this column, the key column, and now let's proceed to the W column. What we learn. What we want to learn more about habitat. See, what we want to learn more about the one that we know here. Okay. We have the importance. For what? Purpose. Purposes. Kinds. See, you have kinds of habitat. What else? Ways of living. See, you have her ways. See, ways of living. Some more. definition of see, you have food.
Ecology.
Yes, you have also here ecology. So we have heard we have filled up the C and W columns. Now I'm going to give you a fact sheet and we are going to find it out later after you are going to read our fact sheet. If our information here thank you for the correction mark. You want to what? So now, shall we check if shall we check if the things that we have written here are found in our sheet of paper? So what are the things that we found there in our sheet of paper? Okay, we have the what's this? This one, yeah? Space where organism live. Okay, yes. Then environment where specific. Yes. Okay. The niche. We will circle this word. How about home? Okay. Shelter. And we have the grassland. Hand. The forest. How about this one? Did you find some important part of habitat there in our reading? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, then we have, how about purposes? Okay, how about kinds of habitat? Okay, then ways of living. Yes? How about destruction of habitat? How about the food and the ecology? Now, the last part is we are going to fill in this column, the L column, which is what we learned. After reading this material, what you have learned about habitat? What have you learned? Okay, it is a place where plants and animals normally live. What more?
We learned there are not living organisms that live in different habitats. And so with the human increased wisdom and improving world then, these habitats were ruined and this adapts their change and towards the extinction of the species. So that's why we have to conserve them. That's what we learn. Endangered species.
So, again, your
Endangered species. Endangered species from the human disaster.
correct me if I am wrong, endangered species caused by human destruction. Caused by human what? Destruction. Okay, some more.
Animals in the habitat must adapt to the changes.
Okay, you have animals. Animals
In the habitat,
in the habitat must adapt to some more. How about the polar bear? You think that the polar bear
Different living creatures live according to their structure or functions. So, may animals ng mga puyo, grabe sila.
Okay. Scientific, yes, you can find it here. Oh. They have specific environment to live. Some more.
Eventually, living organism will die if the habitat is not suited to them. It's not suited for
So
them.
they will die
like if
if
the habitat,
the habitat
suitable for their
habitat is not
suitable
suitable. Die if the habitat is not suitable for them. Okay, so now let's check our KWL. We have heard some words or some topics that is found in your paper. And what we will do to this topic is we are going to serve this one as your research, as your assignment, and you are going to do it, and you are going to pass it at the end of this month. So that ends with our lesson.